Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Display Repair. Cleaning the throttle body on your car is considered a routine and simple job, especially if you know your way around cars. But if you make the mistakes we're going to show you, that simple job may turn into a complicated and even worse expensive repair. This video will hopefully help in avoiding that. So stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Regarding cleaning the throttle body, you can watch our videos where we show you how to clean a throttle body without removing it from the engine. Even better, you can also see another video how to thoroughly clean it when it's removed. The links for both videos are in the cards in the corner and in the video description. Always plug the intake manifold. The first and most important thing is to always, and I mean always, securely plug the opening when you remove the throttle body. If you're cleaning it while it's on the engine, make sure you do not get anything even near the throttle body that can accidentally slide or fall through an open butterfly valve. Nuts, bolts, and washers are #1 things to avoid. Know that any kind of mistake on this part may easily lead to having to take off the intake manifold, which is complicated, and even worse, in some nightmare cases, you may have to take the whole engine head off. Have this in mind always when doing this job. Do not force the butterfly valve. The next mistake you should avoid is using force to open the butterfly valve on the throttle body. People usually do this to remove as much gunk as possible when cleaning it while it's on the engine. Forcefully opening the butterfly valve can cause damage to the electromechanical mechanism located on the side of the throttle body. This mechanism is essentially a set of plastic cogs and electronic contacts that move the butterfly valve, and when they are damaged or broken, the throttle body is practically useless and you'll probably have to buy a new one. So, when cleaning the throttle body, slowly and carefully open the butterfly valve and never open it fully, but only as much as you need to clean it. Use the proper cleaning spray. If possible, use the cleaning spray made specially for cleaning the throttle body. In most cases, it is the same as a carburetor cleaner. This is important to know because lots of people use popular alternatives like brake cleaner or WD-40. These will not necessarily make any damage, but some of them may be more aggressive or greasy and may cause even more problems. Watch where you spray. When mentioning the spray, watch where you use it when cleaning. When the throttle body is removed from the engine, you have good access to all sides of it for cleaning. What people usually do is soak the whole throttle body with the spray, which is a mistake and it can damage it. Mainly avoid spraying the electromechanic mechanism on the side of it and where the little axle of the butterfly valve enters the throttle body. The cleaner spray can leak into the electric mechanism through these places and oftentimes damage it. Do not over-tighten the throttle body. When returning the throttle body after cleaning, make sure not to over-tighten the bolts or nuts holding it. On most modern cars, the intake manifold is plastic, so are the threads for the bolts holding it, so using excessive force may damage these threads, leading to you not being able to tighten the throttle body. This may easily mean a new intake manifold, which is both expensive and complicated to replace. Do a relearning procedure. The final mistake on this list is not doing a relearning procedure after returning the throttle body onto the engine. We've made a specific video on this topic where we explain various ways to do this. You have a link in the card in the corner or a link in the description. Not doing a relearning procedure can cause the engine to idle roughly. It can cause sluggish acceleration, a bad gas pedal response, higher fuel consumption, poor engine performance, and else. All of this happens because the throttle body is not properly recalibrated after cleaning or replacement. Luckily, all of these mistakes are very easy to avoid. Just always pay some attention to what you're doing and you'll be okay. Most of these mistakes are made when the job is done without taking some safety precautions, thinking through what you're doing, and not knowing the consequences. But this is the case with almost any car repair, isn't it? So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.